Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have this alternator, and this alternator is for 2015 Mercedes Benz S550, right?
Yes.
My client, my friend here, he come in, he start the car, and the car doesn't want to charge. You have to push the booster power pack in order for us to drive the car to the shop. Now 95% of this alternator, I believe that now when you go to the dealer will sell you another alternator. How much they say?
1,500.
1,500? No, 1,500 for this alternator. You pay for it already?
No.
No, wait a minute. Don't pay nothing now. Okay, this alternator is $1,500, and they need the old one. Sometimes there is nothing wrong on it except the brushes. So I'm gonna check, open it first, and then see what is the, if the brush finish, I will not buy any alternator. We're gonna change it, or just change the regular. $1,500. Okay, let's see. Let's see what. First, I'm gonna open this three to release the cover, this cover, and then from there I will look at it. So 1,500 in these days, I don't believe so. So let me just try to see what happened. If that's the case, okay, I'm gonna open this one here, this cover here. I'm gonna open this one here. Hopefully you guys seeing it, right? Okay, okay. Now I'm gonna open this one. Look here, you coming here, those are diode. We have positive diode, negative diode, and here the three wire here, those are the starter wires. And the starter wires are all good, very nice, you see? I don't see none of them like you can say is loose or anything. But what I need to do is, this is a regulator. This is the regulator. So I'm trying to see if my regulator is okay. And the regulator is to regulate the amount of the current that coming out from the alternator to the battery. When there is no load and the battery is working fine and the battery is fully charged, the alternator, the regulator will reduce the pressure that going out from the alternator to the battery. Other than that, if the regulator go bad and it's charging very full, it will destroy the battery or it will destroy some computers. So we have here a little bit of wire. Maybe this is not, this is small. So I'm gonna go back here, check those. I see my friend, I see the car on the lift since the morning. And I ask him what happened. He say, no, we are not able to do anything. So my curiosity, I say, you know what? I was fixing alternator long time ago, maybe 20 years ago, where electrician only, there is no electrical work on the cars, only alternator and a star and the dashboard. Till the new technology come now, everything is like, sometimes nothing wrong with the alternator. Let me see this one. If you are really an electrician and you work on alternators, you know how to deal with them. So I'm gonna take this one out slowly and see. You see now, there is nothing wrong with this car. Only the alternator, the brushes finish. I will not pay $1,500 for this. I'm gonna go desolder this wire, take those brushes out, put new one, because this one also supposed to come out. This is cover for the dust, for example. I'm gonna take this thing out, move it outside. I will desolder here, and if you don't want to desolder anything, we're gonna clean this. Okay, we're gonna clean this here. Okay, it's clean. I'm gonna clean it more. Even this one here, I see like because the brushes eat it a little bit, but you can clean this one a little bit with the sandpaper. Put it in and put it back and drive. You can drive a little bit till the corona time go away, then you can buy your alternator if you need. But I don't believe that because of this, I'm not gonna spend 1,500. Thank you for watching.